Hi people, what if I told you in just 30 days you can be a completely different version of you? And no, I'm not talking about manifestations or dreamy life, but about reality and your call to action. So if you are ready to take the next step, then follow along till the end of the video because your journey begins right here. Hi, I am Anshika and welcome to Elevate, which means elevated. And that's exactly the motto. Your elevation to power, confidence, and leadership starts here. And today we are going to talk about how to reinvent yourself in 30 days. In this video, we are going to talk about 5 essential points you can implement in your life which will change a lot about your life. Let's begin without wasting any time. For the first point, break your old identity. As the name suggests, we are going to talk about how to change your current self, how to realize about the facts of your personality which are holding you back. First, you must realize that the situations you are stuck into are not at fault. It's you, it's your personality, your identity, which is at fault. Now, I want you to take a piece of paper and start by writing down what are the points about your identity that you know are at fault. It could be anything: lack of confidence, lack of discipline, laziness, self doubt. I want you to think harder and harder to write down what are the facts that are holding you back. Now we are going to move to the next step. How to be your new self. Once you have written your issues about your personality, I want you to take another piece of paper and start writing a contradictory version into a form of a statement for yourself. So suppose if you have written lack of confidence, I want you to write I am becoming a version of myself which is more confident. It could be 2 to 3 things also. So you can write, for example, I am becoming a version of myself which is more confident, which is more active, which is more disciplined. Or you can merge all 3 things and write down in the form of a statement. Like, I am becoming a version of myself which is more confident, powerful, or more active and disciplined. Okay. Once you have written down the statement, now you know what you have to be and what you are currently. We are going to move to the third step now. Upgrade 3 core habits. Now, I want you to write 3 core habits about your issues which you know are creating a problem in your life. It could be anything, okay? So, suppose you have written as an issue that you are lazy. So, you can write it in your core habits that you have to wake up on time, or you have to make your bed, clean your room, and for suppose you have written down the fact that you are lack of confidence, then in the other page you can write that you are going to talk about yourself in front of the mirror for half an hour, 10 minutes, 15 minutes as well. So any 3 habits which are not very heavy, you can follow along, write it down, and then you have to follow it for the next 30 days. Okay. If you are taking small goals, it will be easier for you because our brain doesn't know what kind of achievement we are having. It just knows we have achieved something. So if you have written down that you have to wake up on time, you won't hit the snooze button or make your bed early in the morning itself. So if you are doing these small things, your brain will get a thrill, motivation early in the morning itself, and your whole day will get better. Now, we will move to the next point. Protect your environment. This is a scientific fact as well that if you are living in an environment which is negative, you cannot grow into a positive being. So, if you know there are people around you, there will for sure be people around you who will drain your energy. You have to first realize who are these people, then you have to realize how you can break these patterns. So, suppose you can set clear boundaries. It could be your boss at work, manager, or your teammate or friends or family or relatives. Set clear boundaries. So suppose the next time your relative asks you a question that you don't want to answer, be clear, be polite, and tell them that you should not be interested in this. This thing is a personal thing about me. Just tell them very clearly. I want you to set very clear boundaries and respect those boundaries yourself also. And don't let anyone ruin your self-respect. be better in a better environment. Now, moving on to the next point, which is create a non negotiable ritual. I want you to take out 5 to 10 minutes at a certain duration of time. It could be any duration, early in the morning, late at night, evening, or after lunch, before dinner, anytime. But set it so right that you don't have to change it in any cost. Take 5 to 10 minutes for yourself. Set a non negotiable ritual that you have to do it. Okay, this ritual you can do any sort of activity which is related to yourself. You can do a breathing exercise, an affirmation, to take out time for visualization or meditation or self realization or journaling. But take out this 5 to 10 minutes and do it for yourself. It gives you a sense of self consciousness, so you will know about yourself a bit more, and you will know a lot more about your boundaries. Suppose you have spent a day, you know something went wrong today, and if you are having a self realization at night or early in the morning also, you can realize the facts, what went wrong, and how in the if this situation comes again, how you can react to it. And if the day went very well, just take a 5 to 10 minutes break to meditate, do a breathing exercise, do journaling or anything. How you have changed, you can also write about it. What are the major impacts you are seeing of the changes you are trying to implement in your life? Anything. Just take out 5 to 10 minutes and try to write it down and create it as a non negotiable ritual that you are not going to change at all. Rather, the time or the amount of time you are giving to yourself, don't change it. You can set small amount of time, no problem, but don't change that time. Remember, reinvention is not about becoming someone else. It's about becoming a better version of yourself by uncovering hidden truths and potential of yours. You don't have to wait to be someone. Don't have to ask for someone's permission to be better. You have to start right with yourself and right now. Start now, do your best, be better. Start by changing a small things about yourself, and then you will see you are getting better and better. So if you like the video, give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button and comment down the things that you are going to change about yourself, the others motivation as well. Bye bye till the next time.